Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A36, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to navigate to settings. In here, I'm gonna scroll all the way down to System, and from here select Reset Options and erase all data factory reset. Give it a moment and it will give you this list of data. So here we can see what it will remove, which importantly removes, and that would have been easy if I'm a little bit more literate, but anyway, it removes things like music, photos, and user data, specifically all user data. Now, as you can see, Google thinks that there are more important things like your Google account being removed from the phone. Ooh, big whoop. System up data and settings. Wow, like you can get those back. And downloaded apps, again, you can re-download them. I love how it keeps the most important things at the very end and keeps them vague, like other user data. What the hell is other user data? You mean all, as literally everything will be removed here. So in any case, in your case, you might actually see some applications listed right here that were signed in, and those will be obviously signed out and removed. Don't worry about the accounts, still remain. It's just the applications and the info that you were signed into an app will be completely gone. Now, between the erase all data 1 and the 2, like you can see on my end, you will have a screen lock show up, so you'll need to confirm one if you have one set. If you don't, it will look the same way as it did for me. So you can select erase all data a second time and it will begin factory resetting the device, which will take about a minute or two. So I'm gonna let it run through and come back once it's done. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.